संवसारीक क्रमवारीन पयले सुवातेर आशिल्ल्या नॉर्वेच्या मॅग्नस कार्लसनान संवसारीक बुद्धीबळ सर्त जिखली. फायनलीन ताणें भारताच्या 18 वर्सां पिरायेच्या आर प्रज्ञानंदाक ट्राय ब्रेकरांत हारयलो. कार्लसनान पयलेच खेपे ही सर्त जिखली. प्रज्ञानंदाक उपवस्तादपणाचेर समाधान मानचें पडलें तरी ताणें हे सर्तींत उत्कृश्ट प्रदर्शन केलें. ताणें संवसारीक क्रमवारीन दुसरे सुवातेर आशिल्ल्या हिकारू नाकामुरा आनी तिसरे सुवातेर आशिल्ल्या फॅबियानो कारुआनाक हारयलो. तशेंच फायनलीन कार्लसना आडच्यो पयल्यो 2 क्लासीक मॅची लेगीत बादाबाद दवरपाक येस मेळिल्ले, पूण ट्राय ब्रेकरान कार्लसनान पयली गेम जिखली आनी दुसरी गेम बादाबाद दवरली. ताका लागून कार्लसनाक 1.505 अशें जैत फावो जालें.
Today it didn't go my way, but okay, it's normal in sports.
But you played after 2 draws. You played a good shot, so good. You have a good move. But where you see that you lack in front of Magnus.
No, of course he's the best player in the world, and I still have to improve my chess to, to be the best. That's what I'm going towards, and I think I need to work even harder.
You are not feeling well today. Also, do you think so that this hit your play today?
Yeah, of course. I think we both are extremely tired. It has been a month-long event, and we both were a bit out of energy, but we were trying to get ourselves together and play. And yeah, he managed to play better than me today.
Next is 2024 Olympics. Will you going to prepare for that now? You will keep yourself busy for that preparation now?
Yeah, right now I have many tournaments coming up next, so I don't think about that now. There is still time.